Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Homecoming. Now we know the previous episode ended with Uzethu pulling her sister Unomfundo out of Esthawini saying Ntombi. Unomfundo was about to get virgin tested when Uzethu came and pulled her out of that whole thing. So this scene actually opens up, or this episode opens up at that scene where Unomfundo is rushing home. She is so angry at Uzethu. So Uzethu is jahara after Unomfundo, and she said, Nomfundo awume, Nomfundo how? Unomfundo then says, ungiphokha phambi kwabangani bami Zethu. Uzethu then says, siswami, bengahlosanga, phephisa. Unomfundo then says, it's not that deep ngale ndlela ocabanga ngayo. Ngisho nothisha wami we-LO uthi kubalulekile ukuhlolwa. Uzethu then says, hayibo, isifundise eklasini manje lento. Unomfundo then says, yimpilo yethu lena Zethu. Noma uyasho, it's part of our culture. Uzethu then says, awubiyona yonke inkolelo eyiqiniso. Bafuna nje ukusilawula, baqashe ngosiko. Ngiyacela, xela ungizwe bakithi. Unomfundo then says, bemfuna ukuya Zethu. Akunamuntu ongiphoqela ukuthi ngiye laphayana. Uzethu then says, siswami, ngifuna ukwenza isiqiniseko that this is what you really want. Abantu abadala benza izinto ezisebenzela bona. Nawe ke ngifuna ukuthi wenze into ezosebenzela wena. Umhlaba mkhulu Nomfundo. Mkhulu ukudlula le ndawo lena. Not everything that's been taught to you deserves to be carried forward. Phila impilo yakho ngendlela wena ofisa ukuyiphila ngayo, okay? And then Unomfundo nods ahead like uyayivuma lento Zethu ayikhulumayo. So then they start walking. Uzethu then says, uSifiso yena bekafuna ngempela laphayana. Ngoba kuthiwa men are not allowed there. Unomfundo then says, angaze. Mhlampe ngoba uyiphoyisa, that's why he was there. Uzethu then says, hayibo. Ukhona umuntu ophilile ekhanda onganikeza leya ndoda isiphamu. And then the scene just ends like that. Next scene girl, we see the very same Sifiso guys, the way he is so grumpy ekuseni uqosha amaphepha in the yard while umamazala wakhe uhlezi le ngaphandle ukhetha ubhontshisi you guys, but she can see but uSifiso is grumpy. So as he's picking up the papers there, he's speaking to himself, into ayaziyo uvusa ukudawa nje, uzithandana utshwala nje, buka nje ukuthi undala kanjani lana. Hayi nca, damn it. And then the mother-in-law then says, hayibo mkhwenyana, ngabe konke kuhamba kahle? uSifiso then says, ngithe ngibuya laphayana ukuyokha umuthi ngahlangana namanye amanyala laphayana Esthawini seyintombi. The mother-in-law then says, hayibo, pho yini ke inkinga? uSifiso then says, uyabona leya ntombazana engudokotela yakwaHlongwane. Ufike laphayana Esthawini seyintombi wadelela abantu abadala waphinde wadelela namasiko ethu. The mother-in-law then says, hayibo, uyabona kodwa leya ntombazana ngasho. uSifiso goes on to say, ukuhlawula kona uzohlawula. The mother-in-law then says, hayi ngempela mkhwenyana fanele ahlawule. As they're speaking like that, uSifiso's wife, guys, she comes out of the house. She is heavily pregnant, you guys. So when she comes out, she then says, nihambe kahle, speaking to her husband. uSifiso then says, hayi uzwile ukuthi sikhuluma ngani. Umakwanyane ke, who is the wife, then says, hayibo, ubani lo that got you so worked up? uSifiso then says, khuleka sithandwa sami. He comes to her, he kisses her stomach and he's like, kuhamba kahle, ngunkosana kodwa, akakuhluphi. Umakwanyane then says, uyangikhahlela nje kuphela, nihambe kahle nina. He then says, konke kuhambe kahle nje sithandwa sami. And then he smiles and then he says, asamba singena endlini, and the scene just ends like that. Next scene we see Uzethu sekamereni lakhe, her boyfriend uShobane called and she answers the phone. So then she says, hey baby. uShobane then says, sawubona wedali, awungitshele wenzekele namhlanje. Uzethu then says, ngivele ngabona ukuthi uzoxoxela. uShobane then says, yehlisa umoya, kanti yini sesikhuluma kanjani nabantu abadala Zethu? uZethu then says, so vele awuzungibuza ukuthi kwenzakaleni, uzothatha iside lama wakho without even hearing the full story. Shorty guys, remember when Uzethu was there Esthawini seyintombi and there was one aunt or one lady that was busy speaking to her? That is the mother kaShobane, and she she happens to also be a nurse. So Shuti-ke uShobane and uZethu are from the same village. uShobane then says to uZethu, kodwa bekumele uhambe sithandwa sami, bekumele uhambe ubashiye bodwa. uZethu then says, into ebengizama uyenza mina ukuvikela usisi wami, kodwa-ke wonke umuntu wala kule ndawo bacabanga ukuthi mina mhlampe ngiyilento engahloniphi. uShobane then says, ngiyakuthola sithandwa sami, ngiyabuza ukuthi uthini. I get where you come from, kodwa nawe-ke sithandwa sami mele uzifundise to calm down bakithi. Akusenani-ke kodwa bathini-ke abazali ekhaya ngale ndaba yakho yomsebenzi. uZethu then says, angingabatsheli. Then sathi ngiyakhuluma kodwa ubaba he just assumed that I've been placed in Johannesburg. Indlela bekade ejabule ngayo-ke, I didn't have the heart to disappoint him. uShobane then says, ngiyabuza sithandwa sami, kodwa-ke ngiyacela ukuthi uhambe uyoxolisa kuma wami ungizalayo. Once she can see ukuthi you are humbling yourself and showing remorse, maybe angakuzamela okuthize emsebenzini. Uyamazi uma, she knows all the local placements. uZethu then says, uma wakho has never liked me kodwa sithandwa sami, nawe-ke uyakwazi lokho. uShobane then says, ingoba akakwazi sithandwa sami. Don't forget what I told you. Things always fall into place. Whatever fell apart can fall into place again. Futhi-ke ngiyakhumbula sithandwa sami, like ngikufuna ulana. uZethu then says, ngizobuye ngikufonele kusasa, and then she hangs up. It looks like uZethu is not even really into this relationship, guys. The way she just like ended that call nje kanjalo. Anyway, next morning we see uZethu benoma wakhe uMashabalala. They are hanging, washing on the washing line. So uZethu asked her mother, how uphi ubaba? uMashabalala then says, ubaba wakho usayobona uSifiso akalalanga kahle. uZethu then says, how? Wenze njani? Uphuphe kambi? uMashabalala then says, ulunya umzimba wonke. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi khona into emphethe kabi emoyeni. uZethu then says, hayi kodwa ubaba mele aphumule nje, ayikho into uSifiso azomenzela yona. uMashabalala then says, Zethu ungaqali mntanami, hayi namhlanje, ngoba uwo wonke lo okasule amadlozi, and now they taking out ulaka lwabo out on your father. uZethu then says, ma, hayibo, ngine-degree ye-medicine mina. Umuntu ongakwazi ukusiza ubaba lana yimina, hayi uSifiso. uMashabalala then says, i-degree eqeda kwenza njani he? Ngalamapheshana obuye nawo eGoli, usocabanga ukuthi ungcono unawo wonke umuntu Zethu. Usocabanga ukuthi wazi yonke into. Yazi uHlongwane ebephilile lana before wena uqale lezi zinto zakho le ematshitshini. uZethu then says, kodwa ma, uMashabalala then says, yeyi wena Zethu, ungangilingi mina yezwa, senganele, ngizwile ngawe manje, ngiright. And then the scene just ends like that. It went from 0 to 100 really fast, you guys. Next scene ngempela we see ubaba uHlongwane. He is in Indumba kaSifiso, you guys. You can see, we see ubaba uHlongwane is taking out imali. He puts it down there ngasemaphandleleni. uSifiso, you can see he's calling on the Hlongwane ancestors to come and be here. He's calling upon his own ancestors to open his eyes, and then he asks ubaba uHlongwane to blow on the bones, and ubaba uHlongwane does so. So Sifiso then says, kwenzakalani ekhaya Hlongwane? Ngiyakuzwa ukuthi ukhala ngomzimba, kanti cha, there is much bigger than that. Unezinto eziningi ezizange zaxazululwa. Inhliziyo zenu zinelifu elimnyama. There's arrogance and pride. That arrogance and pride is what's bringing the lifu leli emaqhekeni. Kodwa-ke uzolunga Hlongwane. He gets up, he takes something, guys, umithi that's been mixed ebhodleleni, and he gives to Baba uHlongwane. I guess maybe uHlongwane he's expected to bath with lesaswashu. Next scene that we see uManqobo. Remember, uManqobo now is the wife of uShwabi. uShwabi is the tavern owner. So we see uManqobo. She is driving, guys, and she parks her car at uZethu's house. When uZethu sees uManqobo lo, she's like, hi. She runs to the gate, guys. She opens the gate. uManqobo jumps out of her car. She's like, mnganami. They jump on another, guys. They have ushukuthi they are friends. uManqobo then says, Nkosi yami, kodwa ye nawe ngingaze ngizwe ngomamgoba lana ukuthi ubuyile wena awusangitsheli uzethi densesinqese mngani kodwa mtha waze wamuhle wena no umanqoba denses ngiyabonga uzethi denses awuphenduke ngibo umanqoba ngempela phenduke guys uzethi denses hi bo Beyonce umanqoba denses kodwa ke I'm still mad at you bekumele ukuthi ube ngumkhaphi emshadweni wami awuzange uzethi densis mnganami nqese bakithi fanele ungixolele you know ukuthi like what it's like being a doctor you do rotations at different hospitals uningi nje kubusy nje umanqoba then says hayibo ngiyazi ngazelaphi mina cause angazi lutho kodwa ke it's fine ke shuthi ke because ulana ke it's me and you up until ubuyele egoli as she's speaking like that ubaba uhlongwane asondele he comes towards ulokhuzane uzethu he then says how kwaze kwakuhle ubona ngani yami speaking to umanqoba then says yebo baba uhlongwane then says awusiyabonga sesisizwe umngani wakhe lona otherwise we wouldn't have seen you umanqoba then says ngiyabona ngithukile nami yazi and then they all laugh baba uhlongwane looks at uzethu and then he says nayi ke ilist lana he gives uzethu iphepha he then says uma wakho she asked that umtholele umdobhele izinto ezimbala estole uzethu takes the paper and she's like oh okay but you can see what you quiet remember guys the reason why uzethu came back home is because she doesn't have money anymore now cool get because I mean there's expectations she's a doctor they're giving her less to go and buy I don't know few items that time she came back guys with a boot full of groceries so then umanqoba then says shuthi baba ngizosala ngihamba naye ke and then ubaba uhlongwane then says siyabonga ngani umanqoba then says asambeni she pulls uzethu they get into the car uzethu is like hayibo imoti yakho le awute she's hooting there guys you can see their friendship beautiful one few moments later ngempela uzethu and umanqoba they park the car outside of the store and they getting out of the car umanqoba then says awume kancane unganyakazi nje kakhulu she's taking pictures uzethu then says how bakithi isidingo umanqoba then says isidingo sani ezami le ithombe phela they enter the store so as they entering the store uzethu is picking out things uzethu then asks umanqoba unjani umshado kodwa umanqoba then says how wena mawucabanga unjani ngibuyisise kahle zethu umyeni wami ungiphathisa kweqanda he's madly in love with me uzethu then says how ujabulile kodwa sengisho phela ushwabi mdala enakayona itype yakho umanqoba then says phela dade angithi uyazi itype yami iyangiphoxa bayangichithela badlala ngami ushwabi njena like uyangiboila at this point uzethu sethilini so then she says sawubona ma umanqoba then says sanibonani and then the lady who is the owner of the shop she just looks at uzethu and she keeps quiet manje umanqoba and uzethu they look at one another to say ukuthi and then wat gaan aan hierso and then uzethu then says ma sawubona bengiqala ubhadala uma wakhona ke she goes on to say umuntu ongahlonipha amasiko ethu is not welcome la umanqoba then says hayi cha ngiyayiqala ke le the lady then says uyaqala noma awuqali isitono sami lesi umanqoba then says yazi mina abantu abacabanga ngoluhlobo bayangiqala mina ngo-2025 usacabanga kanje ngeke mngana sambeni please usimoshela isikhathi and they walk out nje kanjalo guys the whole village is mad at uzethu it has spread the whole village ukuthi the doctor is back and she's here telling us ukuthi amasiko ethu are no longer good enough so next thing guys uzethu she is at the local clinic uhlezi laphayana remember her boyfriend said ukuthi azoxolisa kuma wakhe so I guess she's here to Xolisa to Ushobane's mother, who is a matron at that clinic. So uzethu, she's sitting there queuing and lining, and in front of her is Usfiso's wife. But I don't think she knows Uti it's Fiso's wife. But she can see Uti, ay man, this pregnant, heavily pregnant woman, like Agashali Sege, she's uncomfortable, almost as if she's in pain. So uzethu then says, "Sawubona sisi, une nyanga ezungaki." Haibo. The woman then looks at her, the wife Kasfiso looks at her because it's weird. I mean, I don't even know you and you coming to ask me like, how far am I? Uzethu then says, onlese, bengizixoxela nje. Ngingudokotela, bengisanda graduate enyangeni edlule, like who asked you zethu? And then the lady then says, ngicabanga ukuthi amaveki awu-36 or 37. Uzethu then says, how? Useyaqeda njena wena, sekusele kancane. And then they both laugh. The wife then says, lapho-ke, ngifisa ingathi angaphuma njengamanje. Yazi lo muntu, akusalaleki nasebusuku, yinhlungu. Futhi ngalana, she touches her side rib, imbambo zami, have engikhahlela lengane. Uzethu then says, how? Uyakhahlela? Ukhahlela imbambo ngo-36 weeks? Ayibongeke. The child should have dropped by now. Ehlezi kwi-pelvis. Awucabanga ukuthi uwenze, awucabanga ukuthi mhlampe mele wenze iscan, ucheck if the baby is not in breach. Then the wife then says, unesiqiniseko salokho? Mina bengifuna uzidedela. Uzethu then says, angeke ngikwazi ukuconfirma njengamanje without iscan. More times than often, babies shift on their own. So the wife then says, haibo, aren't you lo asisi osise umsindo ekuhloleni weyintombi? Udokotela waseGoli. As she's speaking like that, the boyfriend's mother comes in. She then says, isicefo sakho ulana futhi? Yazi awusebenzi nalana kodwa hayi ugcwele indawo nje, ubusy nje, you are bothering ama-patients ami. Uzethu then says, Nxese ma, bengizixoxela nje. The mother then says, hayi suka. And then she says, waza ntombazane, speaking to one patient so that she can help her. And then the scene just ends like that. Last scene, we still Uzethu. She is at home. She is outside on her laptop and she's on a phone call. She then says, I sent an email 2 weeks ago. Are there no openings yet? Okay, fine, fine, thank you for your time. She drops the phone call. As she drops the phone call, her father comes. And then he's like, how? Masangweni, ngidinga usizo lwakhe ngani yami. Yazi i-compressor yemoto ayilungi. Ngizame yonke into, but ayilungi, it's not working. Uzethu then says, yimalini baba? He then says, 12,000. Manje kunzima ngempela, nami angifuni ukulahlekelwa yiclient because he's been bringing his car here for years. Uzethu then says, ngizobona ukuthi ngenza njani baba. Ubaba uShongwane excitedly then says, how? Sangweni, ongwane, bese ngaba yini ngaphandle kwakho kodwa. Hey ngiyabonga ngani yami gets up, he's so excited guys, but you can see ukuthi uZethu guys, akazi ukuthi where is she gonna get this 12,000 rands from. Guys, this is the reality for so many black people, that for some of us going home is not a safe place. Because kunje, at home is where we get stress. Because bafuni imali ezingapheli, thinking ukuthi just because when usebenze eGoli or usebenze eGauteng that you've got money. Anyway, let's park it right there because that's where the episode ends. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys in the next one.